Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a topic in biology known as pollution. We are going to study this topic with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the unfavorable alteration of environment due to addition of impurities is called dash. A. Adaptation. B. Pollution. C. Conservation. D. Mitosis. In this question, the correct answer is B. Pollution. So pollution is the release of harmful substances into the environment in such a way that affects lives of organisms negatively. The next question says, which of the following pollutants causes depletion of ozone layer? A. Carbon 2 oxide. B. Hydrogen sulfide. C. Nitrogen 4 oxide. D. Chlorofluorocarbon. In this question, the correct answer is D. Chlorofluorocarbon. So this chlorofluorocarbon is a pollutant that is capable of causing depletion of ozone layer. Ozone is a triatomic oxygen that formed a layer in the atmosphere, and studies have shown that the layer formed by ozone protects the earth against the harmful effects of radiation coming from the sun. So when this chlorofluorocarbon is released into the atmosphere, it will begin to destroy the ozone layer, and when ozone layer is destroyed or depleted, there will be a serious problem on the surface of the earth. The earth will not be favorable to living things again. The next question says, the following cause water pollution except dash. A. Fertilizers. B. Insects. C. Untreated sewage. D. Petroleum. In this question, the correct answer is B. Insects. There are many things that can cause water pollution. Water pollution is just the process of releasing harmful substances into water. So there are harmful substances that can pollute water. These include fertilizers, untreated sewage, and even petroleum. The next question says, the following are effects of noise except dash. A. Anxiety. B. Calmness. C. Short temper. D. High blood pressure. In this question, the correct answer is B. Calmness. So when noise is observed in a particular environment, it can trigger many things like anxiety. It can trigger short temper in people. It can also increase the blood pressure of people. But this option B remains the correct answer. So this is telling us that noise is a serious pollutant of the environment. The next question says, which of the following pollutants causes blood poisoning? A. Carbon 2 oxide. B. Carbon 4 oxide. C. Smoke. D. Dust particles. In this question, the correct answer is A. Carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide is another name given to a compound known as carbon monoxide. So this carbon 2 oxide is a serious pollutant in the sense that when it is released into the body system, it will poison the blood. And it poisons the blood because it prevents oxygen from binding with hemoglobin. So when this carbon 2 oxide is released into the blood, it will now prevent oxygen from binding with hemoglobin, so that oxygen will be transported to different parts of the body. So this carbon 2 oxide is very, very harmful to the body system, especially the blood. The next question says, the harmful substances that cause pollution are called dash. A. Pollutants. B. polyploids, C. Polyploidy, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Pollutants. So pollutants are those harmful substances that cause pollution. The next question says, the process whereby algae and other aquatic organisms grow rapidly as a result of fertilizer runoff and untreated sewage deposition in water is called dash. A. Eutrophication, B. Zooplankton depletion, C. Phytoplankton depletion, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Eutrophication. So eutrophication is the process whereby aquatic organisms, especially algae, grow rapidly due to the deposition of fertilizers, pesticides, and many other chemical substances into aquatic environments, and this creates a long food chain in that water. The next question says, which of the following causes acid rain? A. Carbon 2 oxide, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen 4 oxide, D. Hydrogen. In this question, the correct answer is C. Nitrogen 4 oxide. Studies have shown that this gas known as nitrogen 4 oxide is capable of dissolving in water to form what we call acid rain, and this acid rain is not favorable to living things. The next question says, the following are ways of controlling land pollution except dash. A. Proper treatment of sewage before disposal, B. Proper checking of oil pipelines, C. Non-biodegradable materials should be recycled, D. Oil pipelines should not be checked properly. In this question, the correct answer is D. Oil pipelines should not be checked properly. So all these options apart from D are ways of controlling land pollution. The next question says, the following are effects of crude oil on water except dash. A. It kills aquatic plants. B. It destroys aquatic animals. C. It makes water unfit for consumption. D. It makes water good for consumption. In this question, the correct answer is D. It makes water good for consumption. Crude oil is one of the pollutants of water, and when crude oil is released into water, that crude oil will kill aquatic plants, it will kill aquatic animals, it will contaminate the water in such a way that the water will become unfit for consumption. The next question says, the following are types of pollution except dash. A. Air pollution, B. Water pollution, C. Land pollution, D. Insect pollution. In this question, the correct answer is D. Insect pollution. So, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution are different types of pollution we have. The next question says, when public drinking water is polluted, the spread of the following human diseases occur except dash. A. Typhoid fever, B. Cholera, C. Dysentery, D. Syphilis. In this question, the correct answer is D. Syphilis. So, there are different diseases contracted by humans when they drink polluted water. Research have shown that these diseases include typhoid fever, cholera, dysentery, etc. But this syphilis is not a disease contracted from drinking polluted water. Syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease, but other options we have here, apart from this syphilis, are waterborne diseases. If today is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics we have treated in many of our videos. You can also drop comments so that we will attend to that.